Hey folks, this is Eric Oliveros from QNAP, and I'm here at CES 2019 here at our QNAP booth and showing you the latest and greatest that QNAP has to offer for 2019, which is a lot this year. We're going to be starting with our new switch, our QGP 1600P, which is our edge computing PoE switch. So we got a PoE switch. It also has Intel Celeron processor and also two SATA 2.5-inch drive bays. So you got storage, you got processing speed, processing power, and you also have a PoE switch. So it's an all-in-one solution there for somebody who's looking for a business who's looking for storage and a PoE switch on a budget. You have an all-in-one solution. We also have our new QLALA, which is an enclosure here, portable 2.5-inch enclosure. You can put an SSD or a 2.5-inch hard drive. You can connect through Thunderbolt or USB Type-C. So you got a portable solution there that you can plug in for your Mac, for your mobile device, or also for your tablets. We have a couple of new 10 gig cards here, which support SFP Plus and 10G base T. So what's special about these cards is they also support RDMA and ICER. So pretty interesting card for the whole enterprise segment. Here we have our Alphabat, which is our video companion robot, which we showcased last year. So we have a couple of demos that we'll show you a little later. But video companion connected to your NAS. You can also run applications. This also has a camera on it. So various different uses for this. Our TR002, which won a Video Maker Best of CES award. So this is a 2-bay RAID enclosure. So it's not network connected, but you can connect through USB Type-C or through Thunderbolt. So we got an affordable 2-bay RAID for creatives out there that just looking for a storage device that don't want to connect, don't necessarily need to connect through a network. We have a device for you. HS453. DX, which is our silent NAS. This is a 2-bay NAS. It has 2 drive enclosures in the front, hot swappable. You can put up to 12 terabytes per bay. What's cool about this, distinct from the previous fanless NASs that we have to offer, this has a 10 gig port, also network ports. We have a couple of HDMI ports and USB ports as well. So pretty cool NAS, multimedia. You can run Plex on it. It has an Intel quad-core Celeron processor on it. Another fanless NAS that we have is our TBS 453DX. Pretty cool NAS here. You can put 4 M.2 drives in it. Also, you have a 10 gig port, gig port, and a couple of USB 3 ports, HDMI port, small, compact. So you want a deployment, a couple USB drives, USB ports in the front as well. Compact, high performance. You got a 10 gig port, so very cool. If you're limited on space, but you want something fast and compact, we got it for you here. Now we swing by to our new form factor. This is our TS932X, which is part of a new lineup we have of 9-bay NAS models. This is the entry-level model. We have Annapurna Labs. We also have a model with an AMD chip and also an Intel chip. What's cool about this, we got 5 SATA drives in the front. You got 4 SSD drives in the front, so you can use it for caching or for tiering. You can use you can run QTier on here, which is our awesome software there that recognizes your hot and your cold data. You can use this for QTiering. In the back, you have 10 gig ports. All of these 9-bay series NAS models, they all have 10 gig ports on them. So it's awesome NAS for SMB. You got SSD slots in the front, and you got 10 gig connectivity. So really cool series there. We also have our TVS 872, which also won Video Maker Best of CES award. So this is part of our new lineup of Thunderbolt NAS models we have available in 4, 6, and 8 bay. This has an Intel Core i5, the latest chip that's out from Intel. 10 gig ports in the back, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and also what's cool about this compared to the other Thunderbolt models, it has a PCIe slot, so you got a little more expandability. You can throw SSDs, or you can throw another 10 gig port in the back if you like. So cool new series here. And this is basically a reboot of our previous AMD lineup. This is our 77 series, TS77 series. This is a 6-bay model. So this is just basically a revamp of it, but it just has the latest Ryzen chipset on this lineup here. So it's available in 6, 8, and 12-bay models. So have a bunch of really cool stuff here at CES. This is all the latest and greatest of our storage stuff. Feel free to come on down and check out our website, and we hope to see you here.